The following is an Investor Brand Network audio production via our audio press release solutions. As a multifaceted financial news and publishing company, Investor Brand Network utilizes its network of more than 5,000 distribution partners as well as other corporate communication tools to introduce public and private companies to a wide audience of investors, consumers, journalists, and the general public. Investor Brand Network's platform connects the investment community with companies that have great potential and a strong dedication to building shareholder value. The following audio press release may feature a client partner of Investor Brand Network. Investor Brand Network may have been compensated for the production of this audio production. Please be sure to read our entire disclaimer for full disclosure.
Network Newswire presents Within the Water Trend, Sales of Alkaline Water Rising High. Recently as 2015, the retail sales for alkaline waters, those with a pH between 7.0 and 10.0, were less than $95 million. With consumers taking a more proactive approach towards health, alkaline sales are booming. Industry authority Beverage Marketing Corp forecasts retail sales in the category to balloon to $1.3 billion by 2023, representing 20% of the entire value-added water category. Drivers abound to support the 42.6% compound annual growth rate for the forecast period, which are undergirding exponential growth for the Alkaline Water Company Inc, WTER on NASDAQ, the largest independent alkaline water company in the United States. Major grocers, including Walmart Inc, WMT on New York Stock Exchange, BJ's Wholesale Club Holdings Inc, BJ on NYSE, Costco Wholesale Corporation, COST on NASDAQ, and the Kroger Company, KR on New York Stock Exchange, have benefited from and are following the category trend, many bottling their own alkaline brands while stocking their shelves and distribution centres to increase options and meet consumer demand. COVID-19 has created new retail opportunities as some channels explode with demand and others are re-emerging as economies reopen. The Alkaline Water Company is the country's largest independent alkaline water company, and over the past month ranked 8th in the broader functional water category. WTER is focusing on reaching up to 100,000 retail locations through high-growth channels. WTER has 33 consecutive months of year-over-year revenue growth. COVID-19 strengthens consumers' love of alkaline water. Barely known to anyone a decade ago, alkaline water today has captured the attention of consumers worldwide. While some contest that health claims aren't substantiated by clinical research, proponents of alkaline water hail it for myriad benefits, such as stabilizing the body's natural pH level, which can be thrown out of whack by acidic diets, and facilitating faster body rehydration post-workout, among other things. COVID-19 reshaped some aspects of how the world transacts with certain sales channels stronger now than before the pandemic, including e-commerce, big box, and warehouse clubs. Consumer packaged goods, CPG, companies are adapting to, taking advantage of, and making moves in these channels. Other markets that took a hit because of COVID-19, such as hospitality, food services, and travel, are coming back to full strength, which creates more opportunities for CPG companies to expand distribution and sales against the backdrop of shifting consumer habits to emphasize health as these channels aim to re-energize revenue. As counterintuitive as it may sound, crisis creates some strong sectors, and alkaline water seems to be a benefactor of a confluence of market drivers. The Alkaline Water Company Inc, NASDAQ ticker symbol WTER, is already a dominant player in the market and is strategically expanding its flagship Alkaline 88 portfolio into the aforementioned channels via new targeted distribution points. The company is aggressively growing, adding key personnel, expanding infrastructure, and developing new products tapping lucrative emerging markets. The expansion should further cement Alkaline 88's position in the broad value-added water market and alkaline water subcategory. The brand already outpaces sales at the next closest independent peer by 5-fold, and over the last 12 months weighs in as the 10th largest brand of any type of value-added water. What's more, Nielsen data shows that Alkaline 88 outperformed the whole value-added water market during the 52 weeks ending September 11, 2021 by 12.8%, and 17.5% in dollar and unit volume, respectively. And that was before the advertising featuring the brand's new brand ambassador, basketball legend Shaq O'Neal, has hit televisions and mobile devices. See ya, Pepsi. Alkaline 88 shines. The list of accomplishments to date for WTER and Alkaline 88 are impressive. The company has posted a stunning 52% compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, over the last 6 years, and 33 straight months of double-digit year-over-year growth on its way to becoming the 8th largest enhanced water company in the country in the past month for the 4 weeks ending September 11, 2021, according to Nielsen Total US Food data. In order to reach number 8, Alkaline 88 passed Life WTR, the premium enhanced water product, launched by beverage juggernaut PepsiCo in 2016. Currently, Alkaline 88 is available in more than 75,000 stores throughout the country. The company is targeting a range of 90,000 to 110,000 retail locations by the end of fiscal 2022. Already in leading grocers such as Kroger, H-E-B, Aldi, Meijer, and Publix, as well as in large retail chains such as Rite Aid, and as a prime product on Amazon.com, WTER is looking to slingshot the organic success by adding high-growth channels, big box, club, and specialty retail, hospitality, and food service to the mix. And there's plenty of green grass ahead, as indicated by Alkaline's 88 relatively low all-commodities value of 46%. Percentage ACV is an industry metric that measures a store's total sales of all products compared to the sales of all relevant retailers in the same territory. In short, percentage ACV doesn't pay attention to physical store size or number of products. It hones in on how much product is being sold. A stat of 46% suggests there is plenty of important retailers available. Understanding percentage ACV lets companies prioritize regions and sales points that can immediately have a positive effect on sales. Triggers for another growth phase. The Alkaline Water Company crossed a major milestone in the club channel this month by landing warehouse club Goliath Sam's Club as a retailer. Starting next month, deliciously smooth, Alkaline 88's 1 litres in a convenient 12-pack will be available to millions of Sam's Club members across all 587 of their locations throughout the United States. Sam's marks the company's first foray into wholesale clubs, while Alkaline enters other target markets for WTER. The company recently announced that its flagship product, Alkaline 88, will soon be available in 9 major US airports, including JFK, LaGuardia, Chicago O'Hare, Orlando International, and others serving hundreds of millions of passengers every year. WTER also partnered this summer with Premier Distribution Services, which will put Alkaline 88 in more than 800 gyms, fitness centers, and spas nationwide. Pittman, Shaq suit up for WTER. The Alkaline Water Company has recruited 2 big names to join the WTER team. Chris Pittman has come on board as Director of E-commerce, with one of his first tasks overseeing a new partnership between the Alkaline Water Company and an unnamed turnkey e-commerce agency. Pittman previously was Director of E-commerce and Digital Merchandising with Essentia, a leading premium functional water brand acquired by Nestlé in March. During his time in that role, Pittman helped grow the brand's overall e-commerce channel sales performance by more than 160% over a 3-year period. While not everyone may recognize Pittman's name, nearly everyone has heard of Basketball Hall of Fame actor, musician, and TV personality Shaquille O'Neal, who joined WTER as a member of the board of directors and brand ambassador. Shaq, who has similar positions with Papa John's Pizza, is known for being selective in companies he will endorse or work with, saying he must truly like the product before he'll attach his name to it. Once post-production is complete, the company will launch an omni-channel traditional marketing campaign featuring Shaq endorsing Alkaline 88.
This audio press release is an original broadcast provided by Investor Brand Network. a multifaceted financial news and publishing company that delivers a new generation of corporate communication solutions, including news aggregation and syndication, social communication, and brand awareness tools. Investor Brand Network may receive payments for the services and solutions provided to its client partners. You should assume that the owners, officers, and directors of Investor Brand Network or financial analysts mentioned in this audio production may hold a position in and may intend to trade the securities on their own accounts. This audio production is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell any securities mentioned in this audio production. The information in this broadcast is presented solely for informative purposes and is not intended to be or should it be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the companies thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This audio production by Investor Brand Network is not purported to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from featured companies and other sources but not verified nor guaranteed by Investor Brand Network as to completeness or accuracy. Such information is subject to change without notice. Please see our full disclaimers and disclosures at investorbrandnetwork.com.